In this video, we will show how to replace the motor fan assembly in an unheated Mars air curtain. First, remove the front intake screen, which is held by 4 screws on each end. Next, disconnect the motor power. Units with single-phase power connect by a plastic plug, as shown, while units with 3-phase power must be untied at the conduit box. Remove the 2 hex nuts on each side. Once the nuts are removed, the MFA can be removed from the air curtain housing holding the MFA on each end. When lifting the new MFA, be careful to grab only the edges of the wheel housing. Reaching too far into the housing can hit the wheel itself and cause it to bend. Align the new MFA mounting slots over the mounting bolts in the cabinet. Reattach the nuts to the mounting bolts and tighten. Insert the motor plug and ensure that it is secured. Finally, reattach the intake screen and tighten the screws, and the job is done.